Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shardeum token. Ticker symbol is SHM. Now this token just started a launch pool and airdrop event where there's staking involved. On their webpage, they have the token sale. It says mainnet is coming. There's a countdown, 3 days, 4 hours, 31 minutes. Shardeum is an EVM-based auto-scaling blockchain, and there is a token sale live on their webpage. It says get early access to SHM, and this token most likely will also be getting some big central exchange listings coming soon as well. We're going to talk about the Shardeum token in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So like I said, there's a countdown to the mainnet being live on their webpage, which is shardeum.org. Just click on the very top section where it says Shardeum token sale or get early access to SHM. Then also, it was just announced, this just came up 27 minutes ago. It says Shardeum SHM token launch pool and airdrop is live now. You could stake your SHM tokens for 72,000 SHM and 158,000 USDT rewards. So there is a huge reward pool for a limited time, and it says only open for 2 days, and that is on Mexc Global. So if you don't have an Mexc Global account and you're looking to get involved with this launch pool airdrop staking event, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. And then most likely, since they have this partnership with Mexc, when the mainnet's live, the token fully drops and comes out, most likely it'll also be listed on Mexc as well. And so that's most likely, and other exchanges probably as well. I haven't seen the announcements yet for those, but you'll be able to see them on this Twitter right here at Shardeum. You'll see they have a huge following, 359,300 Twitter followers. Shardeum.org is the webpage linked right there. They also have a Discord there. And you can see in the banner it says token sale is live. So yeah, the mainnet is coming. They have a full white paper that you can check out, a technical white paper that is 48 pages long of super tiny print. So if you were interested in reading, for an hour or two about Shardeum, they have all the info on this gigantic white paper here. They go over the full technology, scaling, architecture, all that type of stuff, all on this huge, gigantic webpage. So they have the Shardeum application layer, which uses the EVM for contract execution and data storage, which makes it Ethereum compatible. It also implements its own version of proof of stake, POS, to protect against malicious attacks. Now, the validator node described in the architecture section of their big white paper is a single piece of software that has both the Shardeum application layer and the Shardus protocol layer integrated as one server process. Now, within a conventional Ethereum client, the operation of a smart contract that involves reading, storing, or modifying state data is governed by client software containing an integrated EVM. All changes to the contract or state data must be initiated by a transaction. So Shardeum also possesses an integrated EVM akin to that of any Ethereum client. However, the state data, contract code, and account data managed by the EVM are additionally accessible to the Shardeum application layer. Now, the Shardeum state manager oversees any action that reads or writes this data following the established rules of the EVM. Ordinarily, updates to the state data or contracted data are prompted by a transaction. So Shardeum uses the proof of quorum, POQ, as its consensus mechanism, but uses POS, proof of stake, as the Sybil deterrence mechanism to mitigate Sybil attacks and protect the network from misbehaving and faulty nodes. In order to participate in the network, a validator node will need to lock up some stake amount as a disincentive for malicious behavior or not providing the expected service. So the logic for staking, unstaking rewards, and penalties are handled at the Shardeum application layer, while the Shardeus protocol layer notifies the application layer of critical events. So certain proof-of-stake networks allow validators and sometimes delegators to become a network participant in the economic ownership of tokens. So most forms of POS have some minimum staking requirements so that the network participants must have a stake in the network which operates as economic collateral. These forms of POS and delegated proof-of-stake networks have different subcomponents, game theory, rewards rate, penalties, and staking mechanisms to align network participants in different ways, resulting in vastly different outcomes. Shardeum does not have delegators as a network participant, but does have multiple other types of network participants, namely validator nodes and archiver nodes. So there's rewards, there's slashing, the Shardeus protocol layer. So it says many of these features exhibited by the Shardeum network are inherited from the use of the Shardeus protocol layer. So the Shardeus project has been independently developing the protocol layer since 2016. Shardeus is the framework for creating linearly scalable distributed ledgers. By using the Shardeus framework and adding EVM and smart contracting functionality at the application layer, Shardeum will be able to complete development much faster than otherwise possible. So you can get involved with the staking. If you want to learn more about the token, their webpage is the place to be, shardeum.org. Over there they have testnet, start building, ecosystem, open source, document section, as well as white papers that might be a little bit easier to navigate than the white paper. They have the Explorer, roadmap, university, blogs, frequently asked questions, beginner guides, community section. They have a whole section specifically about the token on their document section. You can check out the full tokenomics on there as well. And yeah, check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.